All I gotta say is that these forecast models are getting out of hand, really. I can't tell what's going on anymore. I don't know where it's gonna be. Said it's gonna be south. Now models on the mesoscale are saying it's gonna make landfall very close to us. Let's just play this. This is very accurate for forecasting hurricanes. You have to be close to the event, though. So, right where it comes out from, this is the bullseye. If it comes out from there, right? Maybe, definitely this area, alright? Definitely if that's the case. Because this is where it's moving. I put my pinky right there. It's probably going to make landfall somewhere in this area. Somewhere. Not in Maryland, it'll make landfall here. But it looks like it'll be strong. Look at these ads, brother. Oh. That picture. Look at that picture. That's not real. That is so low quality, bruh. I can't do anything. Dang. Alright, so why don't I just check through this? This is what the GFS has to say.
Scientists work out that all these fossils dating from the Cretaceous period. But better than that, they dated
strong winds there. Center of the storm to my southwest. This says it's gonna make landfall in right around this area, somewhere here. I know it's probably gonna make landfall there. The high appears over here. I think it could be slid a little bit east, but whatever it says. This shows a landfall. So it landfalls like right there.
And that tells us that this tooth engaged with the teeth on the other side in that alternative.
I don't really know if that's that accurate, but.
So this animal, after a pair of scissors, just nipped off the vegetation on which it was feeding. Enormous though it was, just nipped off little leaves.
Shows it making landfall right there. Again, that looks like a category 4 that just goes right up the Chesapeake Bay. Why does it have to go up the Chesapeake Bay? It shouldn't do that. They just shouldn't. These models, I can't go long range with them. Farthest I can see out with this one is right there. 970 millibars. That's the farthest I can see it. Check on this one. I can't see very long range. Oh, wow. That is a Category 5 storm. That's a Category 5, 100%. 917 millibars. Wow. Wow, look where it's lining up for. Look. This area right here. Yeah? You're going upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't turn the light off yet.
Get your blanket. You get your blankie.
There you go, get your blanket. This area is probably going to see the first landfall. This area probably could see maybe weak Category 4 damage. See, it starts turning northwesterly here. So actually, I think this could be a one where it like hits this area on the Outer Banks in North Carolina and goes up the Chesapeake Bay like the older models have been showing. Wait, what is the high pressure doing? Oh, yeah, I think it might set up like right here maybe. I think. I'm not very sure about that. This one, I can't even see if it's close to land. Can I zoom out of this? I can't zoom out of this. And this shows it making landfall right here. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, what did you just do? What did they just do? Alright, I'm done. I'm done with these stupid models, alright? Stupid. This is way too south. I'm sorry. This is way too south. I think it will scrape here. It could scrape here and then go over the Chesapeake Bay. That's what I think. This doesn't put it as far south. I think the high is a little bit in a weird placement. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm sorry. I can't tell you if it's going to hit or not at this point. But I bet you tomorrow the models are going to be like, oh yeah, hit Maryland. It's going to say this, and then it's going to put it, and then the model track is going to be up here by the time that I think it's not going to hit us. I don't know what's going on. I'm sorry I sound a little bit angry, but this is probably going to be, it's probably going to go just south of Bermuda to right up the Chesapeake Bay. Now, if it does, I will get hit by the eye wall. And you will see footage whenever I get hit, but I'm probably not going to get hit, to be honest. No. Yeah, I just wanna roll this thing past there. All right, that's good. Got enough rain. By the way, in Maryland alone, we've gotten about in a wide area 4 to 5 inches. That's almost a foot on top of that, so sorry I have to, oh, that was pretty loud, but sorry I have to say it to you, people in Ellicott City, the river is gonna freaking probably be up to the roofs. I'm just joking. It's not going to be up to the roof, but it's going to be damaging, as well as all this rain that we don't need after record rainfall in August. It's going to be disastrous. This is bad. People in Ellicott City, people that live on the river, you need to get out of your house, because the river is probably going to swallow your house if this happens. Is it still raining? I think it might be. It's still raining at this time, and it is 11:10 Eastern time. It's been raining since 7. So the river's already going to be high. It's probably going to go down a bit. But still, I can't trust anything. Look at these forecast models, see? Sorry it's giving you a seizure, but they don't have any idea what's going to happen. I'm sorry, GFS. But you don't. Oh, see? See, that's what it shows. Let's go to here. Let's go to... What do you mean? It's different. I'm sorry, guys. I just can't forecast this with any seriousness anymore. Look. I just can't forecast it with, like, I can't be super serious because I don't know. What is that wind? Is that even on the scale? That's not on the scale. That wind isn't on the scale. So it makes landfall like that probably a Cat 1 when it reaches us. So that'll be minimal damage, but like when we got that storm in March, we had like 60 mile per hour wind gusts and it still tore up roofs in my area, so that was kind of strange. But I'm sorry, but you put this too south. Come on. It's not going to take a turn that south. And it's going to take a harder northwesterly turn. Because why did the other model show the high being here when you just show it being here? I'm sorry. I think actually, since this is a god of models, I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to be east, though. It's probably going to be more east. But look at that. It really just kind of stalls out there. That's not good. Because we've gotten a lot of rain, too. So all I'm saying is, this probably will change. I don't know what's going on. Look at the previous run. Look at where it was. Now look at this run. See how big that change was? If this happens, we dodged a big bullet. With wind and storm surge. Not with rain. We could get the exact same amount of rain or more than we did if it didn't hit us as a strong. Hold up. Oh, sorry. A strong hurricane. So, yeah. I'm just saying it's a little bit strange to me, but alright. And there's also frost advisories up here. This area is right here. This is probably all out of this won't hit you. There is a very high threat for the storm to get here, or maybe we could have some rain. There's definitely a good possibility of something being associated with that. To be honest, if this turns more south than it already is, I'm actually done. It doesn't make any sense. It's not going to be that south. It's not going to go more south than this. I'm sorry. That's just not correct. It's going to go like this. And right when about it gets to here, it's going to start to turn a little bit more up into this area. This is what I think is going to happen if they're wrong. Right up into the Chesapeake Bay area. It doesn't matter. I think that's what's going to happen. I don't know. I think it could lose a lot of energy hitting here, though. So just remember, guys, stay alert. We probably won't get hit, but I think that, I don't know, we have a high chance of having it go straight up the Chesapeake Bay. I don't know, guys, but I'll see you in the next video. The next video either will be another forecast model of it missing us, us dodging a bullet, or us getting smashed in the face in future videos with terrifying winds. I'll just tell you about it later. Sorry, guys. Bye.